Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making one of our favorite breakfast recipe and we call it the chicken omelette. As we all know the importance of breakfast as the first meal of the day, we try making it as nutritious as possible. So for this, we will need boneless chicken, onion, potato, capsicum, spinach and coriander. You can also add mushrooms and broccoli to this if you like. Start with washing, peeling and cutting all the veggies. Now break 3 whole eggs in a bowl. Add salt and pepper, beat it well and keep it aside. Now it's time to saute the boneless chicken. Add ghee or olive oil to a pan and let it heat. Once your pan is hot, place the boneless chicken and let it cook on one side for about 3 minutes. Turn it around and cook for another 2 minutes on medium flame. Remove it from the gas, let it cool down and then shred it into smaller chunks. Now that all the prep work is done, let's begin with making our omelette. Same pan, add in a little more ghee, olive oil and add in the potato, onions and saute it for a minute. Add in the capsicum and let it cook for another minute. Now add in the shredded chicken and the beaten eggs. Add spinach and coriander at this point. Let it cook completely from one side. Once the upper layer is cooked and not liquidy anymore, it's time to flip it. Now that your omelette is quite heavy, there are chances it would break while flipping. So you can take a help of a plate to remove the omelette and place it back again on the pan. Once both the sides are cooked, your healthy and protein-rich breakfast is ready to serve. Have it with your favorite beverage and start your day with a boost of energy. Do try this out and never miss your breakfast. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy.